Okay, what I want to do is show you how to add a category and then follow that up with how to add a product. Then there might be a couple of settings I want to show you that you might have to set up yourself because I'm unaware of what they are, such as your PayPal account. But right here is the link that you have to go to. It's going to be shop.reart.ws/admin. And that'll take you to this log on page. Then I'll send this to you in a separate email, but the name is Reart. The username is Reart, and then I put in a password there, and I'll send that to you. So we're going to log on, and here we are in the dashboard of your store. And you can see it gives an overview of the sales and the number of sales you have outstanding and different things. And this is the latest 10 orders will be listed right here when you start making orders. This will also provide some statistics here on your total number of customers and your total orders. Now, I think it's obvious that you could have more orders than customers because one customer may make more than one order. But it also is possible to have more customers than orders because people sign up for your newsletter, which we'll talk about at a later date. But people will sign up for your newsletter and not necessarily place an order yet, but it gives you an opportunity to consistently send email to them. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go look at how to add a category. So you go to Catalog, and this is the catalog of all your products. And the first thing you want to do is add a category. Well, let's open your storefront so that we can see what categories are available or what we might want to put in. Here's your storefront, and they are putting, we have old bottles. I was thinking of calling a category recycle, a category jewelry, and we'll start with jewelry while we do that. So we go here, and we go to catalogs and categories. We open up categories, and we want to put in a new category, a new name. So we're going to add insert. So we're going to insert a category, and the name of this category is going to be jewelry. There's one right there. I'll probably put that in for others. Okay, down here you can give a rough description of the different types of jewelry that you might have, but a simple, small description is just fine, and that's what I'm going to put in. You can come in and change this anytime you want. But let's put in recycled products handmade and turned into fashionable jewelry suitable for every occasion. Okay? Period. That's what we'll just put in there. Now these meta tags, your meta tag description is a description that will be seen in Google when they do a search, say on the word jewelry, and this category page comes up. So we're going to do a meta tag right here. Okay, so we're going to put in, come on, put it in, there we go, recycled products, and we're going to put in Reart jewelry. Okay, that's what we'll put in. And that's the meta tag description will come up whenever this is found on a search engine. Okay, so we're all done with that. We've got to add data now. In the data, if this is a category that's underneath another category, you could put the parent category right here. But it is not. This is the only category we have so far. It is in our default store. OpenCart allows you to manage several stores at one time. That's rather difficult, but it does allow you to do that. Now we're going to look up an icon, and this would be a product that you would display a picture of one of your products that would represent jewelry, and I'm just going to use one of the earrings that we've already put in. So we're going to click Browse. Browse brings up the image manager, and this image manager will give you all the pictures that you have available on the website that I've uploaded, or you can upload new pictures right there. You can rename any picture. You can copy a picture, move a picture, delete a picture. You can do all kinds of things. You can put images into folders because you could have a folder for jewelry and a folder for other forms of reart products. But right now we're going to just pick one of the jewelries that we already have here. And I think we'll pick the new. No, those are banners. I can't pick those. Okay, well, we haven't uploaded a jewelry, so let's go get one of the music. So we'll do upload. Come on. Feel like my internet just took a hit. There we go. I don't know what that was about, but sometimes in a third world country like Thailand, you can have a bit of a slow internet at times. A bit unpredictable. I'm going to go to where I have your store set up on my hard drive here. And then I'm going to go and pick out the picture that I want. We'll upload that picture and it'll show up here. Come on, come on. I don't know what's up. Things have just slowed down all of a sudden. Now this is working over the internet and bringing information into, there we go, into OpenCart. So that may be part of the problem. Come on. Come on, that's not everything. That's not everything. Try refreshing. There we go. ECA. And reart. Images. And I want the music earrings. Let's go with the music earrings there. Now it's going to upload, and once the upload is complete, it says you successfully uploaded your file. Remember, you want these files to be reasonably small, probably under 300 kilobytes in size. If it's too big, it'll tell you, and it won't be able to upload it. And if you have a problem and you don't know how to resize a photograph, let me know, and I'll help you out. Okay, there it is right there, and that's the one I want to use. So we double-click it, and it pops in right here. Okay, here I want this category to appear at the top of the website in the menu bar. So we're going to click top, display in the top menu bar. See right there? That's what we want to do. So we're clicking top. That makes it easy for people to find it. Okay, let's go back up here. The design, you don't need to make any changes to the design. It's just if you had, we have a default layout for your store. If you had other layouts available and you might want to change your layout to something different, you can do that. Once we're done putting in that category information, we hit save. And now that category is there. Now, if we go back to reart, to your store here, and we do a refresh, there's jewelry right there. Now it's the only thing in the top menu bar right now, but the other categories will do the same thing, and the other categories will appear in this top menu bar as well. Okay? Now, let's add a product to jewelry. So let's do products. Okay, we have no products, and we're going to add a new product, so insert. Product name will be music note earrings. Okay? Again, a meta description is what's going to appear when you upload that. Here we're going to say beautiful pearl earrings, handmade and available to you. Fashionable and appropriate for every occasion. Okay? have no beautiful pearl earrings. Patent as musical notes. Period. And available to you. Okay, beautiful. Blah, 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 blah. There we go. Control C it. Bring it up to the mega tag. Put it there, right in front of that. Control C. Put that like that. Now, this here is a product search, product tags, so that if people are looking at your products and want to search your site for similar products, it would use these tags. So let's put in earrings, music, notes, pearl, and that should be it, and handmade. Let's put in handmade. Okay. So that's the description setup. Now we move to the data for that. Now the first thing it's going to ask for a model number, and what we're going to do is re-art 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your first product. And you can put any product model number in there you want. That's for your information, so you can quickly identify the product if you perhaps buy it from somewhere else. This will be shipped from Hungary, so I'll put that in. I'm just going to make up a price, and you're going to have to come here and change this. Let's make it $7.50. Oops, $7.50. Okay. Now you need to put in a quantity, because when these get sold, the quantity is going to drop one at a time, and then it's going to notify you when stock is low. But I'm going to put in a quantity of 10. It's ideal if you put in the real quantity so that you know what to do. But if you have unlimited quantity of the product, just put in 10 or 50 or 100 so that it counts down. Now in the image manager again, we're going to upload an image of this product. We can upload, this is the main image for the product in the product description. We can upload more pictures elsewhere, and I'll show you in just a moment where that is. Sort order is in the category. When the category appears on the screen, you want specific products at the top of the list, and you hit sort order for that. Now links. Okay, this is where we tell it what category this is going to be in. It's going to be in jewelry, and that drops down, and we can put it into more than one category if it's appropriate. Okay, down here it's in the same store. It is not a download, so don't worry about that. Related products. When we get other earrings in here, we can put those in as a related product. We don't have to come back and do it here. When we put those earrings in, we relate it to the music notes, and then the music note will be related to that automatically. Okay, attributes, options. There's all kinds of options, and this is for more advanced product additions. But right now we don't have to go in, but these options and things like that will allow you to build menus for sizes or colors or whatever you might want to add. But that's an advanced option, so let's not start there. We can add an image, and I'll show you how it's done, but we only have one image of this product. You bring it up, you select the image you want to add, and it works the same way. And we could put in a second image of these pearl earrings if we had it. Or maybe a picture of a woman wearing the pearl earrings. Then when those pictures show up, you can put the sort order here, and then if you hit add an image, it's going to bring up another image again. So we don't want to do that. So we're just going to remove. Okay? Then we can do reward points, and we can do design. Again, design, we only have one layout design for you. Once we put in all the data, do not forget to hit save, or your product will be lost. Okay, now let's go look at your page. Let's click on jewelry, and up will come your first product. Now this is an advertisement left over from another site I did. I'll remove that shortly. But here is the category heading, and here is the only product in that category at present. In time we'll have other products. Here is the cost and the amount added to cart. Up here, you look at your cart, you log in, you create an account, you can do all kinds of things. but this is how you add a new product to your store. So I hope this is helpful, and if you have questions, please contact me.